So over here you can see that I have a bunch of photos opened up, and now let's see how we can create a photo collage out of them. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the create section, click on it, and once you go around over here, you can see photo collage is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that the photo collage option loads up right here. As you can see, it is going out and analyzing out all of the pictures that is opened up, and there you go, it turned it into a photo collage. As you can see over here on the right hand side, you can see that you can choose different photo collages. So you can go around over here and choose, let's say for example this right here. You can double click on it, and then what happens is that it will go around and rearrange everything out right here, as you can see, and makes a new collage out of it. You can go around right here and you can see there's for Instagram as well, or this one, as you can see. So you can just go around and double click on it, and what happens is that it downloads out the content from the server and it rearranges out the layout and places out the pictures accordingly, as you can see, just like this. And that is as simple as that gets. So that is how you can work around with a photo collage option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.